welcome to JBR Beach. We're at our favorite restaurant, ZouZou. There you go. ZouZou. They have one in Dubai Mall. They have one here, not maybe a few more. This one is our favorite because you get to see the wheel right there. Amazing views of the wheel, fireworks, and the drone show. So JBR is well known for being very popular during the day for beach, and they're very popular at nighttime for walking around, getting something to eat, drink, having a great time. Alright folks, we got our appetizer, Sada's favorite, grape leaves, Mariam's favorite, tabbouleh, Marwa's favorite, just bread, Sira's favorite, coming, lahmacun. So this is Lebanese and Turkish, by the way, but my favorite meal is here. I want to show it to you. This thing is warm yogurt, beef, pomegranate, parsley, and maybe some bread, but it's really, really good. So let's give it a taste. It's amazingly good. I just got 2 t-shirts made here at the local kiosk booth. 200 local currency, total 100 each. Original price was 170 each. Alright guys, so we're at JBR. There's a cafe shop that's been becoming very, very popular on Instagram because they do something really cool, a holiday season. So with that said, let me just show it to you. It's a hot chocolate with a little friend on top. Assalamu alaikum. How cool is this, Sarah?
I like it.
One for Annie and Mariam, one for me, Marwa.
Oh, look. He's little baby. My baby.
It's actually really good.
Look mine. It's a big water.
Took a doo-doo. Very good, actually. Very good hot chocolate. Probably one of the best ones I've had.
Look like that. I think cat.
Alright guys, another thing that this place has is pretty cool. Frozen cheesecake on a stick. Say that a couple times.
Wow, this one trying.
Okay.
Can you bite?